I'm Chef Lorianne Raji. Welcome to Laney College. This is our Culinary Arts department, and we would love to share with you all what we do. We have 2 programs here to assist you in your life goals. What we're going to teach you is how to make things quickly, how to turn a profit for yourself, and how to keep everyone safe and healthy and happy. Our kitchens here at Laney College are professional. You're going to learn to cook as though you were working in a restaurant. These are skills that you will carry with you the rest of your life. You will always know how to hold a knife, how to make a cake, how to cook some beautiful sauces, how to make ice cream, how to be a server, how to butcher some meat. We're teaching you really everything you need to know to survive out in the real world. We have a lot of students that post their beautiful products on Instagram and actually begin to make business. You get out of Lake Merritt BART, and we're literally across the street. We're in the E building in the lower level. If you check out our website, you can see a full class list of all the things we offer. Think about taking either Culinary Arts Restaurant Management, which is the cooking program, or Culinary Arts Baking and Pastry, which is the baking program. That's the joy of this program, is you have something at the end of the day that you can be proud of, that you made yourself.